Hey guys, Mike here. Today we're going to take a look at the video display converter. This comes from Griffin Technology, and this is a two-part adapter. This will go from the Mini DisplayPort to HDMI, and then from there you can also go from HDMI to DVI. So you have two different adapters here in one product, and this will work on the newer MacBook Pros, basically from 2008 on. Griffin says the unibody ones, they include the Mini DisplayPort, and also I think the iMacs, the newer iMacs also should work on that. They do have the Mini DisplayPort. Griffin just mentions the MacBook Pro, but I don't see any reason why it wouldn't work on the iMac. And this is a great way to get your video display or video output onto another display. So you could hook it up to an HDMI source, such as a TV or maybe some other video display. Or if you have maybe a newer projector or even a display that you want to hook up to with DVI, this will give you that option. So here's a close-up of the product. And again, you go from the Mini DisplayPort into HDMI. Now I want to mention too that it doesn't include a cable, so you have to provide the cable of your choice. You know, here we have one right here. Go ahead and pick the length and whatever brand you want to use. And if you want to go to DVI, you just plug it in. And what's nice here is the HDMI video spec is compatible with DVI, so it's a nice bridge between the two connectors. And then I want to mention here is the RGB port for the MacBook, or that came with the MacBook Pro with the Mini DisplayPort. And these three here, this product and this little adapter, makes for a pretty nice kit for any road warrior. So if you walk in somewhere, whatever display the facilities provide, you should be pretty much set. Whether it's HDMI, DVI into a newer display or newer projector, this might go into a TV or video system, or the old standard RGB, you should be pretty much set. All right. Now, on that line, I just want to mention that Apple's Mini DisplayPort does not support audio out. I guess the newer spec actually does, but Apple's ports do not. So if you want to get audio out, you're going to need to have a separate feed. And, that's just a little bit different because HDMI, usually has audio and video over the same cable. That's basically the big advantage of HDMI. So you're going to need to have some type of adapter. So you might need to have the mini 1/8 audio jack to maybe an RCA style plug, or, I got this over here. I haven't even opened it up. It's brand new. Just started shipping a couple of weeks ago from Turtle Beach. This is the Micro 2. This will get you the USB analog and digital audio adapter. So just plug this into your USB port, and you can get an audio, analog and digital video or audio right out of this. So it has an optical connector, so you could probably plug this right into the optical input on a receiver. So again, I haven't checked this out, but just thought I'd mention it since it seems to be a nice little companion piece for this right here. All right. Okay, so now what we're going to do, just to wrap this up here, we're going to do a little demo here. We'll do a little screen demo. We'll take the camera upstairs and put it on the TV. I'm going to show using the MacBook Pro to get that onto an HD TV. And we're going to demo the Boxy app, so that'll be a pretty cool little demo. But I just want to mention one last thing here. This will run you $40. This has a retail price of $40. And, if you're looking for something just to get the job done, I want to mention that Monoprice actually has a pretty cheap solution out there. It's actually very similar to this, and I have this actually a little companion right here. This is basically, this does the same function as this, DVI to HDMI. And you can get this cable too on Monoprice. So I just want to mention that because, there's a pretty good price difference. And, but this is a pretty solid product from Griffin. It looks pretty slick. It does carry a 1-year warranty, but there is a price difference. And I just wanted to mention that to all the people out there watching, just so you have some other options. All right. So now, like I said, what we're going to do is we're going to hook this up to a MacBook Pro, and we're going to run this on the TV. All right, guys. So let's check that out. Okay, guys, here we are. We're taking a look at our screen demo. And right here, we could see we have the TV. Here's the TV all set up. And here you could do your settings, and we have it set for 1080p. So that's pretty cool. We can do a full 1080p on here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to demo this using Boxy. Boxy is that pretty cool little streaming app. And here we're loading it up. You can see we loaded this up, and actually what we're going to do, we're going to demo an app that I'm working on. We're working on a Boxy app, so hopefully soon we'll be actually on Boxy. But for now, all we have is our little demo app. So we'll pull up our little channel that we're working on. Here we are right here, right? Open it up, tell it to start. So here we are. Here's our channel, the IGM channel on Boxy. And this is pretty cool. Here's a way that you can bring content into your living room, using your Mac, and again, using this Griffin adapter. All right, so let's load a video just to show it to you. Tell it to open it up. And again, we don't have sound. You're just going to hear the sound on my my microphone. That's where the sound is going to come from. So the quality here is pretty good. This is pretty good quality. Hey guys, Mike here. Today we're going to take a look at an iPhone case. So again, if you wanted to get the sound, you'd have to plug the something into the computer, into your TV, or into a receiver or something like that. in order to get the audio out of this. Again, it only handles the video. So there you go, just a quick little screen demo here of the Griffin DVI adapter with HDMI. All right, guys, this is Mike from Insanely Great Mac. Thanks for watching.